A long ball floated towards the left side. Who looks to get on the ball at the far post, but no danger as of now. Pakistan under control. But I think by the looks of it, they do have a plan. They want to play it on their right side and win those second balls, and then spring a quick attack on that side. So I think it's all part of the plan. I don't think it's a random punt. There you see the pressure from Tufail looking to win those second balls and then spring on attack. But I think Afghanistan have gained composure right now and have the ball in Pakistan's final third. Abdullah Iqbal, the ever-present defender, the wall, the rock at the back, who's having a phenomenal season over there in Sweden with his club Mjällby, who, by the way, Ahmed, could be one of the biggest stories in world football, because I think a few years back they were just founded. Pakistan defending in a mixture of zonal and man marking, with some players man marking their opposition players and some of them in the zones. Pakistan clears it off. I think it's a sigh of relief.
Ahmed Faraz with the ball.
Pakistan have to take care of the ball. I don't think it would work if we keep losing the ball again and again.
I think that's been a historic weakness of this team.
Won the ball.
And that is what
quickly
Mr. Solana will be trying
Ehtizaz Hussain looks to spring a quick counter. Ball played on the right side to Rao Omar Hayat, who then makes a run forward, and again another possession loss. Yes, it is one long ball in with Shaikh Dost looking to flick it on, but to no success. And Afghanistan's keeper gets the ball and plays a quick long ball on the left wing.
Releases.
A bit of confusion at the back from Shah and Mohib, but Abdullah Iqbal is there to take off the scrap. Saqib Hanif on the ball and plays a long ball again on Pakistan's right hand side. Ball one in the midfield. Rao Omar Hayat quickly turns forward. Now there is a chance for us to keep possession of the ball, use Tufail, use Ehtizaz Hussain, Faraz Gulzari on a quick mazy run, but Afghanistan wins the ball back in between lines. And there's a winger bombing on from the right side. 1v1 against Zaid Shah. Puts the ball in, Abdullah Iqbal clears it off.
Ahmed Faraz Gulzari clears the ball.
Right now Afghanistan looking to build play from their left side. Ball won by Abdullah Shah. Quickly played to Shaikh Dost, who goes on the left wing, but ball turned over again. It's an open game right now, Ahmed. It's anyone's game.
It's anyone's game at the moment. The referee, however, whistling against Shaikh Dost. I think scanning has been one of those weaknesses as well, traditional weaknesses that Pakistani players suffer from.
Ball played in behind. Saqib Hanif gets out heroically with loud cheers from the crowd. Saqib Hanif, who's a really good sweeper keeper. Ball recycled in the midfield. Afghanistan looking to play a ball in behind. They penetrated in behind Pakistan's defense. Cleared from the penalty area. Afghanistan slowly tightening the screws right now.
It's an interesting tactic by the Afghanistan team in trying to isolate Abdullah Iqbal and then playing the ball around him.
And so they're having those right-sided overloads, dangerous for Pakistan. So I think there have been a couple of moments, but Abdullah and Pakistan's midfield actually managed to do well, drop back into the penalty box and then get those balls.
I think this is one of the things that we will lose by not having Yusuf Butt in goal, where he's communicating in 4 or 5 languages with his back line.
So I think Saqib would love to have a couple of saves, a couple of clearances to build his confidence, a good couple of passes, long balls. Saqib loves to play those long balls. But I think with Pakistan having so many options, short options, is it the best way to move forward? Afghanistan on the left side looking to penetrate. Pakistan win the ball back, but Afghanistan retain possession and then camp in Pakistan's half, which will be held on the 14th of October. Ali Tareen on the screen right now over there, who is historically known as someone who's a cricket fan, but I think he's out there and going his voice and showing his support to the Pakistani football community. I think it's great if these stakeholders, if these people who are influential, who have the influence in sport, if they come and support different sports, I think that'll be a great thing for Pakistan sports overall.
Afghanistan trying to build up again from the left.
A quick one too, but
Ball.
Pakistan defends the situation well. Junaid Shah clears it, and Pakistan out of trouble. But ball regained again by the Afghanistan midfielders, who've been able to deal with those balls quite well. So Felshinwari wins the ball back. A quick ball play to Shaikh Dost, who plays a through ball to Faraz Gulzari. Faraz Gulzari with the shot, but saved well.
First shot on target for Pakistan.